In just 7 months, beginning in December 2019, the novel coronavirus has infected more than 8 million people worldwide. The human immune system resists, inhibits, and kills a broad range of pathogens, including the novel coronavirus. Therefore, the immune system is vital to the human body's natural defense against pathogens by protecting the body from potential threats posed by the coronavirus. Unfortunately, the immune system is not impenetrable. Despite the body's continuous external protection system, the coronavirus can still break through. One way is through inhaling the airborne coronavirus into sac-like structures inside the lungs. These structures are known as the alveoli.
So, what exactly are the alveoli?
The alveoli are composed of cells that are responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, known as pneumocyte cells. They are surrounded by pulmonary capillaries containing deoxygenated blood. The inhaled oxygen diffuses into the capillaries from the alveoli. The normal functioning of the alveoli is detrimental in the presence of the coronavirus. The coronavirus spike protein binds onto the type 2 pneumocyte cells in the alveoli, inhibiting the normal functions of the cells. As soon as the immune system is alerted, it sends macrophages, one of the crucial white blood cells that is responsible for the neutralization of the coronavirus-infected cells. Meanwhile, the macrophages produce cytokines that send other white blood cells, specifically neutrophils and lymphocytes, into the affected areas. These white blood cells utilize small signaling proteins, including cytokines, to initiate the immune-mediated cell death of the alveolar cells. However, the overproduction of cytokines leads to the structurally deficient break in pulmonary capillaries, causing shrinkage and holes in the capillaries. It is through these holes that the plasma leaks into the alveoli and prohibits the normal diffusion of oxygen. It is similar to this barrier created between the leaves of a tree and the air around it. Carbon dioxide would not be able to diffuse into the leaves. What this means is that fewer functional alveoli result in oxygen deficiency, making breathing more difficult. As the coronavirus spreads to other structural units of the lungs, the patient begins to have severe medical complications and usually requires a ventilator. A ventilator supplies oxygen to the patient, similar to the process of the alveoli. It is not until the immune system successfully breaks down the coronavirus that the alveoli regain their function. Due to the high mortality rate of patients requiring ventilators, scientists are developing vaccines to protect against COVID-19. Vaccines generally contain an alternative agent that resembles a disease-causing pathogen. They are prepared from weakened or killed forms of the pathogen. After introducing the vaccine, the stimulated immune system promotes the biosynthesis of antibodies that bind onto the spike proteins of the coronavirus, neutralizing it. Thus, vaccines serve as a well-developed tool with remarkable medical importance. They might become a treatment to the severe immune system disease caused by the novel coronavirus. Will there ever come a time when our immune systems are impenetrable? That's the challenge of the future. Thanks for watching.